magsasorry ang walang kasalanan. Sila dapat ang mag-sorry sa Senado.
Mag-sorry sila for...
For what, sir?
Unparliamentary conduct. Unparliamentary conduct.
Unbecoming senator.
Yes, I'm becoming a senator. We are truthful to one another. If you cannot be truthful to your own colleagues, if you try to mislay the investigation, you should be liable. You should be sorry.
So yung
Sir, subject for disciplinary ba yun?
Oo, alam ko na yung litag mo. Yes.
Subject
Kakagating ko yan. Yes. You are responsible for everything that you say or do.
yung walkout sa unparliamentary.
Unparliamentary din yan.
So sir, for anong discipline pwedeng isanction sa kanya?
Tanungin nyo ang Senate President.
Would you recommend it to the Senate?
No,
President?
I will not. Papatulang ko pa yan. Napalalakihin ko pa. Hindi na. Malaki na sila masyado.